In this video, I'll demonstrate how to use LunchTab, the online cafeteria payment system for Fort Bend Christian Academy. By the end of this video, you will know how to access and log into your LunchTab account, navigate the dashboard to see your family account balance, recent transactions, and recent orders, add funds to your family account, and set up recurring balance replenishment, create spending restrictions, set product restrictions based on allergies and unique dietary needs or limits for your child, and browse semester or year-long meal plan subscription options. To begin, you will receive a welcome email from LunchTab to the parent email address on file within my FBCA or Blackbot. From here, the Activate button will take you to the LunchTab site to set up your account and log in. If you have not received the welcome email, go directly to fortbendchristian.org/studentlifedining to select LunchTab Online Payment System. From the login screen, enter your email address associated with my FBCA and select Login with my FBCA. If you would like for grandparents to have the options to sign in and replenish account funds, they can select Login with Google or create a custom account. Then select the Authorize button for single sign-in. Upon login, you will land on the LunchTab dashboard for Fort Bend Christian Academy. This view will display your family account balance. Recent orders and transactions will be displayed here. You can select Add Funds to replenish your family account from the dashboard. The Add Funds pop-up allows you to select your family account. Please be aware that there is a processing fee associated with a card or account being charged. Then enter the dollar amount you want to add to your family account. Select Pay Now to enter the details for your credit card information. Select Continue to Payment and submit your billing information. The funds will be reflected in the account balance space on the dashboard. Select the My Family tab to see all family accounts in one view. If you have multiple students attending FBCA, their profiles will be visible in this view. For each student profile, you will see an Authentication tab. Middle school and upper school students will use a fingerprint scan at checkout in the cafeteria. Lower school students will place lunch orders through their homeroom teacher via an order form each day. The Spending Restrictions tab allows you to set a daily or weekly limit for your child. The Recent Transactions tab and Recent Orders tab will show recent transactions and orders at the individual student level. The Product Restrictions tab allows you to add dietary restrictions for the student. This includes milk, eggs, fish, shellfish, tree nuts, peanuts, wheat, or soybean. A la carte and snack limits can also be included. Inputting these unique restrictions in LunchTab will send an alert pop-up to the cashier station at checkout in the cafeteria as a reminder that these restrictions should be adhered to for this individual student. The product restrictions will now list your selection along with none allowed. The Meal Plans tab will allow you to choose meal plan subscriptions for the semester or entire school year. The pricing is based on the number of active lunch days, multiplied by the standard costs. Meal plans allow you to pay up front, reduce the frequency of replenishments throughout the year, and ensure your child is sticking to the main course served each day as opposed to frequent a la carte purchases. To find the lunch menus across divisions at Fort Bend Christian Academy, visit the Fort Bend Christian Academy School website. Select Student Life and Dining page to see the monthly lunch menus. Log into your MyFBCA or Blackbot account and select the lunch menu tile from the resource board. You can also review the weekly newsletter distributed by each division, and coming soon, you will be able to check the MyFBCA app for helpful lunch and dining information and so much more. Thank you for watching and learning how to use LunchTab, the online cafeteria payment system for Fort Bend Christian Academy.